Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Let's tap on it. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and as you can see in this device it is at the very bottom of the list. All you have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now you can go back to the general settings and enter the system, which should be right above the About Phone. Let's tap on it. Tap on advanced, and here we've got the developer options, so let's tap. And as you can see, this is the list of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can turn the option to don't keep activities, you can manage the display cutout, show surface updates, pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, so the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. And basically everything works just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, for example, in the window animation scale or transition animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top, which is actually pinned to the top of the screen. So simply tap on it, and you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back and turning off the system, basically the settings completely, the developer options should disappear from the system list. But as you can see, they are still here, so probably in this device you will have to turn off and on the device completely to actually remove the developer options. But of course, if you want to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.